we're going to have Steakums for breakfast. Each Steakum has got 20 milligrams of sodium in it. Not much. Ooh, lots of flavor. Lots of flavor. The frying pan has got a 1/4 cup of red and green bell peppers. And I get frozen ones because they're so easy to use. I just put about a 1/4 cup in here. Chopped up a little bit of onion in there. There's no more than 5 milligrams in here. My 2 eggs have got 140 milligrams of sodium, 20 for the Steakum, 160, 5 for my goodies, 165. That's one heck of a good breakfast. And if I had any mushrooms, I'd cut them up and put in because they have very little sodium. And ooh, do they ever add a lot. The Steakum's going to go in here. Chop it up and brown it really good. Throw the eggs in there. Mighty fine breakfast. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it gets done. I have a regular size dinner plate. Well, in this case, it's a breakfast plate. That's a lot of food for that much sodium. I might put a little bit of black pepper on it. If I had the mushrooms, they'd be in here. Mighty good. Very filling. I like to cook the steaks until they're kind of browned in here. Quite good. I'm happy with my breakfast.